video yan kanina, guys.
Yes.
Nasa video yan kanina, di ba?
This one. So, dito siya.
Sabay nakapagpalit ito.
Hindi, same pa rin position kanina sa amin. Yan, dito yan. Tapos isang tao dito.
Attach the cervical.
Guys, nakadapa. Check nyo. Hindi nakadapa.
Nakadapa, tingnan nyo yung sa leeg. Tingnan yung leeg.
Found in the prone position. Check their back, buttocks, and legs for
May
injuries,
palitan.
and long roll them onto the long spinal cord. Personnel holding manual stabilization of the prone.
As you can see, bago i-turn, nakasecure na yung
Neck.
So, unahin, no? Tama yun.
Secure the cervical.
Ikaw sir mag-secure kasi ikaw ang hahawak.
Wala.
Ikaw ang lagay. Baliktad. Baliktad. Yan. Yung yellow, kailangan nandun sa baba.
Hila pa pre, hila.
Sir, kapag yan.
Hila.
Baliktad.
Hila pa, hila.
Adjust pa sir, adjust pa.
Hilahin mo pa. Yan.
Adjust pa. Hindi mo masasecure yan.
Hilahin mo pa.
Stop. Sige sir, hintip pa na konti.
Tayo ka din.
Wait lang. Okay, nakita niyo sa video paano sinicure. Sir, ang kamay mo pa ganyan.
Pati ano?
Kasi pag turn, nakaganyan yung kamay mo.
Pero pag ano siya dito?
So ganyan ka sir, oh, para pag-ikot.
Then yung guys, sa saan pinasok ang stretcher?
Prone patient cervical spine should initially close the mouth to allow for unobstructed flow.
Saan pinasok yung stretcher?
Addition lang muna. Hindi, gagamitin. Kasi,
Lagay lang natin dyan.
O, di ba? Lahat kayo nagko-command na. Isa lang dapat ang magko-command.
Okay, please, ready to turn the victim.
dalawa tayo dyan.
Okay.
Ikaw, 1, 2, 3.
Paano yung posisyon ng kamay? Di ba naka-cross? Naka-cross yung kamay mo. Ganun. Okay. Kaya, kaya? Ano ka doon, sir?
Ikaw, 1, 2, 3. Ready to turn.
You need to move back. Back. Paano mo babalik mo, sir?
Yeah.
Natulungin niyo, sir. Ulit. Dapa ulit. Dapa ulit. Pagka loading yung mga sir, you need to turn back. Ha?
Okay, ready to turn. 1, 2, 3.
Do not drag, guys. Huwag mong i-drag. Huwag mong i-drag. Balik.
Ulit.
Dapa ulit.
Ilagay mo dito sa Okay, ready to turn. In 1, 2, 3.
Sandayin mo muna. Okay, then mo back. Atlas at atlas. Okay. So, much better yan. Kasi dinarag ko siya kanina.
Okay.
Tapos,
Slide down.
okay.
Okay.
Gitna ba ba?
And the victim is in position.
Okay. Nakalimutan kayo? Nakalimutan kayo?
Check the motor.
Neurological function.
Neurological function.
Sige.
Okay.
Check
From
mo.
head to foot.
Sir, i-utos mo sa kanila.
Okay, check the
Ikaw sir mag-check.
from head to foot.
Shoulder. Sir, both shoulder.
Ano, sir?
Both shoulder. Down. Okay? So, check natin yung kanyang motor function. Okay, other than asking them to raise their hand or move their extremities, pwede yung ganito. Can you please squeeze my hand? Can you squeeze my hand? Ayun. So, na-squeeze yung hand ko, ibig sabihin, okay yung kanyang motor function. Pwede yung ganung way. Okay? Aside from asking them to move their extremities.
Pero nung sinari namin, hindi niya magana.
Sample.
Okay, the victim is unable to move the arm and leg, so proceed to next.
Parang baliktad. Makapag-adjust tayo. Parang malanganin, bakit yung isa nagkasya?
Yes.
Masyado siya pataas. Masyado siya mababa.
Kasi ba? Kasi. Ay, ito na guys. Ma'am, pwede, ano ba?
Ano?
Ilo,
Ano gusto mo, sir?
slide pa namin.
Oh, sige, sir. Special wish.
Okay.
Slide natin how? Down or up?
Up. Okay, slide up.
No.
Once again, sir, yung orange na sa mid ko, ha? Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo.
Hindi yan pre, yung orange. Ay, sorry.
Secure mo na yung upper body para makapag-adjust tayo sa baba. Mas madali mag-adjust sa baba. Itaas mo na.
Okay. The victim ready to leave.
Bawi ka.
Okay, rescuer position. Ganito yung proper way. Okay? Mind your back. Sir, mind your back, ha? Ako muna magpakuman.
Okay.
Rescue, ako magpakuman, sir. Actually, ang paghawak niyan, pag ganyan ako. Okay. Rescuers in count of 3, ready to lift the victim. Ready? Answer Jamie. Ready or not ready?
Ready.
In my count, 1, 2, 3, up. Okay. Rescuers in count of 3, ready to face forward. When you say face forward, you need to face the head part. So, kayong dalawa ang mag-move. If you're positioned on the right side, keep holding with your right hand. Okay? Ikaw na sa left, keep holding with your left hand. Okay? Rescuers in count of 3, ready to turn forward. Ready?
Ready.
And may count.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Turn forward. Okay? So, ikaw, sir, you can turn your back na.
Back na.
Kasi maglalakad tayo, head first, diba?
So magpapagawa.
Yan. Doon ang gusto.
Sir,
Okay.
ipa na kami dito para mas balance. Okay?
Okay.
Then,
Okay, move.
kung kailangan may transfer, then we can already move na. Okay, stop. Stop. Rescuers in count of 3, ready to unload the victim.
Ready.
Ready. In my
Ready.
count, 1, 2, 3, unload. That's it.